Hello everyone, it's Marie from AmberMarieAndCompany. I am so excited to show you what just came into the warehouse. Oh my gosh, I am in love with these. So get ready, I'm going to unpackage them. First of all, it's summertime, right? It's time to be happy and have summer colors and show some fun. So I'm going to show you these lovely, gorgeous, beautiful pillows that we just got in. I'm going to open them up right here, right now, just for you. I believe, I go big or I go home. So we're here to show you, look at this. Look at these pillows. I am in love, love, love with this pillow. Isn't that gorgeous? This shiny gold. I like shiny gold, if you haven't noticed. So I've got two of these. They're the two lumbar pillows right here. This would be so in your house or on your deck or patio. So look how gorgeous these are. But that's not all. I've got something else to go with it. Look at that. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lollipop. Well, you need a lollipop to go with this. Look how cute that looks together. Oh my goodness. So this is a great summer pillow, something to just enjoy the outdoors, because I love being outdoors in the summer, and I bet you do too. I decorate my house very patriotic for the summer, and so I'm going to show you. Look at this. Party in the USA, baby. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These are all handmade. So they're all going to be a little different. This is all hand painted, hand blocked. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Isn't that the cutest thing? With the popsicles, the red, white, and blue. You're going to have a party on your deck, on your patio. That's not all. Oh my, look at that. God bless the USA. And of course they've got the red and the white and the blue, and you can't have it without leopard. You know how much I love leopard. I love it. So here we have, God bless the USA. Rock your house out with these great pillows. I'm wondering, what are you going to cook for the 4th of July? I've got some great recipes I might share for you. We love having you come into the store and see this great stuff, or order it online at AmberMarieAndCompany.com. This is Marie with AmberMarieAndCompany. Happy 4th of July.